Welcome to Tech World. Now we are opening our Learning nextjs folder by command prompt. We are opening my app folder. Write cmd in search bar. Then code space dot to open Visual Studio Code. Last time we are talking about button component in our nextjs application. Now we are going to talk about app routes in our nextjs folder. I selected cmd in terminal 2. So this is our source directory, and in this we found app router, app folder, where we are going to component more pages. By default you can see page.tsx file, that is home page in our application. Now the code last time we have written in home page is there. Now we want to create about page and contact page. So for that, click on app folder and click on folder and type the name of our about page. And in this we have to create page.tsx file. So our about page is completed. Here I am writing rafce to create the function for about page. If you don't want to do it by this method, so you can write function like that: export default function about. With parenthesis open, then curly bracket open and close, and in this we've written and parenthesis open, and here we will give div tag that you all familiar in HTML. Now you can give heading by h1 tag that this is our about page. You can also style our about page. By giving classes of tailwind css. For giving classes you have to write class name, keyword, and for display flex we can write flex and justify center and item center. So the component will look in horizontal line. You can hover on any of this class to see the CSS behind this tailwind CSS class. Now if you want to create contact page, you can directly create by clicking on file and write contact/page.tsx to create contact page. You can type RAFC for creating function in our contact page, or you can manually create it by const name of your function. This is contact page, so write contact parenthesis, and this is arrow function. So after arrow function, write curly bracket open and close, and then same return parenthesis open, and this div tag. I forget to give equals to sign here, so now the error gone. You can also style your contact page same like about page. When you make a function like that, so you have to export it by export default the name of your function, that is contact. Give h1 heading for contact page here. So now we have 3 pages: about page, contact page, and home page. When we want to do navigation between them, we can make navbar component or header component. I am making here header component. We go to components folder, and there we create header.tsx file. Same I do here, type RAFC and here I am going to make another list by UL tag, and further in another list I give list tags where I am going to define our all pages navigation. First I am defining home page navigation. To navigate in HTML, we use anchor tag, but for nextjs application we have link tag. So here I am going to use link tag from next link. So now I have to import our link from next link by quick fix. Now cut our home and paste it in our link tag. There is href property where we give the route link slash denote homepage link, and for about our href property is slash about. This will link to our about page. Same we will do for contact page. You have to must remember that you have to write your name of link like home page, about page, contact page in between link text. So when we click on home, about and contact, it will visit the given page name. Now I am going to give some classes of Tailwind CSS to style our header. I am giving flex class, so the components inside our UL around the list will be seen horizontally, not vertically. I am giving some spaces like space x2 to space between our home, about and contact pages. So we have to pass our header component in home page, so it will be seen on home page. I am going to run my project. Remember to write cd my app to goes to current directory where my next application is created. Now I run npm random. Now control plus click to visit our nextjs application on browser. You are going to see home, about, contact the top of our application because it is a header, and I give in home page and above all components. But there is a problem that our header is showing just on home page. To show on all pages, we can cut it from here and paste it on layout page, layout file. Remember to write your component tag after the body first tag. So sometimes we face this internal server error. So now I am going to run my application again, so my error will be fixed. same mistake I have done. So now again visit to current directory by cd my app. Now I have run my application by npm run dev and visit the link localhost browser. So you can see our error is gone and page is showing in our browser, and our header is shown in all the pages when visit them. Because layout file is responsible to make any component accessible to all pages. Now I am going to make footer component. In our components folder we have created footer.tsx file for footer component. For now I am just giving and copy for copy symbol C and copy type reserved by tag part. So this will be seen on your application. I'm giving some styling by tailwind CSS classes here. And give p tag font bold, so our text is shown on bold style. Here I have passed footer after children. Children is basically other pages. Now you can see footer is showing here. The problem is that our pages height is just of component height. Now I am changing the height of our pages so that it will be the height of the screen. For that I am going to give the element CSS classes hscreen for height according to our screen. I can also set the width by max width 5 pixel and a max output. So it is set according to screen. Normal screen size it is shown center. But here it is not visible. To see the width what I said, I have to change the color of our page background. I am giving BG green darker color shade. It is not looking good, so I have to change it. But you can see the bit is set within the center of the screen. I am giving gray shade so it look better. So last time I have given green background, I am changing it to white by giving code of white color. Now it is looking like that. There you are seeing that the header is not looking so good. So now I am going to style my header by giving tailwind CSS classes by class name, keyword in our dict tab, the suggestion is seen. I'm following these suggestions. BG cyan 800, dark cyan color and text white and padding 4. I'm also giving more space to our unordered list and enlarge the size of our text by giving text to Excel class. So now you can see our header is looking much better. If we give justify between class, so our header can look like that. Our home page and contact page is on the corner of the screen. That is not looking good. So that's why we have given justify center. So the all components under our unordered list will be in the center of the screen. I am giving space x4, so it is the space of our home, contact and about. It is wider than before. I am styling about page here, so our about page also look better. Our heading should be bold and text should be larger than before, and height of our about page of screen size. Same I will do for contact page. Giving classes to our head and text to Excel and font bold. So you can see all pages height is like that of the screen size, and our footer is on the last of the screen. We can also give height to our footer and making it look better. Here we can give custom height like 400 pixels, so our footer is 400 pixels height, and background is same like header by BG cyan 800 and text white. Now you can see our footer, its height is now 400 pixels. In this class we have learned about app route And this is enough for today. We will learn more styling of component and make responsive our header and other components in next class. Thank you.